Hey there, Insta friends. Glowing star, ever wanted to express yourself with more than just words in the comments? Today, I'm going to show you how to spice up your Instagram interactions by commenting with a GIF. Get ready to bring your A game to the comments section. Step 1. Open Instagram. Launch the Instagram app on your iPhone or Android device. Step 2. Find the post. Navigate to the post you want to comment on. Step 3. Open comments, tap the comment icon, which looks like a speech bubble, below the post. Step 4. Select GIF. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a GIF button. Tap on it. Step 5. Choose your GIF. Browse through the GIFs available or use the Search Giphy box to find a specific one. 6. Post your GIF comment. Once you found the perfect GIF, tap on it to add it as your comment. And that's all there is to it. You've just added a whole new level of fun to your Instagram comments. Remember, a GIF is worth 1,000 words, so choose wisely and let your GIF do the talking. Don't forget to hit that like button.